Old shingles and new ones are significantly different in terms of how they're produced and how long they last. Learn more in this 2-minute video from the home exterior experts at Roof Maxx. Most older asphalt shingles were made with more asphalt than newer ones. That means older shingles are normally thicker and have a longer expected lifespan than many of today's lighter shingles. In simple terms, old shingles were often built heavier. Over time, many manufacturers have reduced materials to manage rising costs. At the same time, shingle prices have gone up. That means homeowners are paying more to get less. If you replace an older roof with thinner shingles, you may be buying into another replacement cycle sooner than you expected. This is a problem for most homeowners. If you just paid for a new roof replacement, you don't want to be replacing it again before you expected to. If your existing shingles are aging but still holding together, restoration can be more cost-effective than replacing your entire roof before you need it. Roof Maxx is designed to help restore flexibility to aging asphalt shingles, which can help extend the usable life of an older roof by up to 15 years, with repeat applications once every 5 years or so, assuming a roof is suitable for 3 consecutive treatments. Roof Maxx is not for roofs that are already failing. At a high level, the roof needs to be structurally sound, the shingles need to be largely intact, and there shouldn't be widespread active leaks or rotten decking. If you're considering replacement, contact a dealer in your local area. It's the simplest way to find out whether your current shingles are good candidates for restoration instead of replacement. Many homeowners who choose restoration have successfully extended the life of their existing shingles and put costly replacement off for years. Learn more at roofmaxx.com.